Not only am I gonna show you guys my makeup, but I'm gonna show you guys how to turn yourself into Pixar AI. 3, 2, 1, open! PatrickStarrr, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be transforming into the AI version of myself. This is she and this is me. I will get into it, but I transformed 30 of my employees at One Size and also Team Star into AI Disney Pixar inspired characters. And also I wore this look to our first ever One Size holiday party. Happy holidays, bitches! In the whole time of having a brand, we have never gotten together as a team. I know it sounds like a lot, but today I'm gonna recreate this look and talk about it with you guys. And I miss you guys here on YouTube, so I thought I would get in drag at 9 in the morning. Get ready in full holiday style. If you guys wanna see how I did this look, keep on watching. And don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. How cute is this poster? Take a second right now and look at my AI. My AI is so snatched. Creating these AIs, first of all, I found how to do them via TikTok. I started doing them, then I started playing in Photoshop beta, and then I started adding Disney font to it, and I thought this would be the perfect gift for my employees. Let's get into this look. I'm gonna start off with the Norvina palette. I'm gonna take A4, B3, and B2. These are like pressed pigments, and I'm gonna apply this in the crease of my eye with a M531 Morphe brush. If you guys still haven't tried Morphe or want to get any discounts, I believe my discount code still works. It's called PSTARRR. Guys, I'm gonna blow up the smoky eye and create a smoky wing. Here's the tea about the AI and how I got to making them. I had this idea. I was like, what am I gonna get my One Size employees? Last year I got them custom made jewelry, but this year I was like, I want to make it personal. I want them to feel like I got to know them. They had no idea that this was coming, and I want to break down to you exactly how I did it. I started with one person, and then I started with the next person, and then next thing you know, I was asking one of the employees, Fabian, for everybody's name and headshot. They were like, who? Why do we need to send pictures of ourselves? I started just drafting AI images in Pixar style of my employees. In the middle of them, I was like, let me do mine. When I did mine, I was so shook. When I tell you, I had never in the whole year felt more creative and connecting with people than in the process of making these gifts. I was framing them, I was printing them. By the way, I got them printed at FedEx Kinko's. Is it called Kinko's now? It's FedEx, right? It's just FedEx. Kinko's? I think Kinko's is dead. The quality, and they cut them and measured them. I got the frames from Amazon 10 by 10. Me and Peter started working on our Cricut to make these custom bags. I got these reusable, like extra large grocery bags from Amazon. And when I saw that they were that like IKEA type of Trader Joe's type of material, I was like, oh, I get to bring these, put all the gifts in here, and they could reuse them. But I wanted to add a personal touch. So if you guys didn't know and you guys want to see me go hard on Cricut, my friend Danica taught us how to do Cricut, and we Cricketed shirts and fanny packs for Pride. I love doing the Cricut because as a brand founder, I want to find like inexpensive ways to feel official in merchandise, like just personalizing things. Me and Peter did 60 One Size decals and Cricuts. Yes. And Jose was wrapping. We had literally an assembly line. I highly recommend learning how to use the Cricut if you're down in a rut and you're not feeling creative, because it just literally brought me to life and it made me feel good for the holidays. Hand making gifts for the employees.
Wow.
Look at the couch.
So cute.
How cute. I'll show you guys a little bit later. The reaction is priceless. Next, I'm adding the shade B2 into the crease. It is giving cranberry sauce makeup in my eye, and we're just gonna smoke it out. Guys, I also have a confession. I got Botox and filler. You probably could tell a little bit in my lips, but let's talk about it. I just turned another year older. I'm not gonna say. You guys can guess in the comment. I just wanted like a refresh. And you know, I feel like plastic surgery and getting stuff done should be your decision. And I wanted to get a touch up. So I went to Dr. Sariovino. She has been doing mine for a while. She just gave me like a refresh. I have been getting work done for years, probably like 6 years by now. Like filler, it's pretty conservative, and I feel like I still look like me. I don't look like crazy. It's a personal choice, and I want to share that with you. So not only are we gonna see my face in AI, the AI version of me, but also with the new filler. And shout out to my doctor, Sariovino. I'll put it here on the screen, the type of filler that we use. If you guys are ever in the area, check out her Instagram. They're so sweet, they're so kind. I just love working with people that love what they do. It really shows. And also building that trust. Thank you, doctor. You're
welcome.
We have to beat her face next, so let me know what you guys want me to do next. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this color C1. There's a little bit of sparkle, and apply this on my lid. Okay, so I applied some eyeliner on the top and the bottom, but before I continue, I wanna show you guys how I get to AI. First, you wanna go to bing.com. So when this pops up, you'll see a search bar that says Ask Me Anything. You can type in Image AI Generator. You can click that first link. Now, if you see right under the Surprise Me, there is Explore Ideas and Creations. So you want to hit Creations, and in this white box, you can type in anything that you want. I typed in, create a digital rendering of a pink and red cafe. There's a huge mirror that has the words, makeup is a one size fits all, in quotes, painted on the mirror. There is another mirror that says, you are beautiful, painted onto the mirror. The style of the cafe is mid-century modern. Once you hit create, it could take a few minutes, it can take a few seconds, and this is what I got. Teaser, we are getting a production studio, and I just wanted to get like design inspiration, and that's what I did. Then I went to fonts.com, I hit in Disney fonts. It was free to just type and download, and then I just added just different fonts according to the character, and that's how I made everybody's Pixar AI character. And when I tell you they loved it, take a look. We're gonna have them open up their gifts that I custom made. In 3, 2, 1, open! Your talent, we got intimacy in your character. So I wanted you guys to see how I saw you guys. When I tell you, seeing the reactions was the freaking cutest. I was filled with so much joy watching them open their gifts. You could hear people screaming in the back. I have the president of the company, Juliet Tang. I gave her an extra one, and she has a cute little puppy named Asher who is always in the office with us. And I was like, I want to generate a little small Shih Tzu making a mess in an office, and her desk says Juliet, and her reaction was everything.
No way!
Speaking of reactions really quick, there is a holiday sale, like I think right now on this TheraFace Pro. This is the same brand that does like the body massagers, you know, like for your neck and your back and your legs. This is the face beauty version. There's a little nub attachment that goes on and it like massages your face. But watch this. This is an LED light if you want to stimulate collagen or blue light to, you know, help with your acne. You can take off the attachments. This one is the freaking coolest. This one is sold separately. The cold ring, oh my gosh. So the cold ring comes with a hot ring. You could put it on 3 different levels right here. When I tell you, it's literally my obsession, and this feels so good. I just literally applied the Benefit Smooth Sip Moisturizer. This one, I can just have it in my kit. it charges just like an iPhone. You just plug it in, and I could switch the rings out. Oh, look at this one. There's microcurrent. And then I'm like, okay, I'm done. Next, I'm gonna like apply moisturizer and put this on. There's a hot ring if you're feeling like really cold and you want to like turn this hot. And it turns hot in literally probably like 30 seconds. This is already getting warm. And there's also a cleansing attachment. The brand, guys, is called TheraBody. This is the TheraFace Pro. I will link it down in the descriptions down below, but I had to just show you on here because my reaction when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. So speaking of the face, one thing about me is that I have been obsessed with skincare and doing my skin, and guess what? I still wear full coverage foundation. Like, look at this. Recently, I just went to my esthetician graduation party. One of the classmates threw a party in a beautiful rooftop area, and we just got to bond and like connect. If you guys are ever curious about esthetician school and you want to learn about skincare or cosmetology school, do it. I learned so much, and I was so honored to be with the classmates that I had because we had such the best time. I learned so much about skin, and I feel like I'm taking that with me here on this channel with you as I talk about skincare and beauty products. By the way, I'm working on my esthetician room, so stay tuned because I'm gonna give Peter a facial really soon because he needs it. Oh, I'm excited to show you guys and flex my skills that I learned in school, okay? Guys, look at my skin. Before, not bad. After, even. We're going for even. We're going for AI. Guys, this Say bronzer is really beautiful. It reminds me of the Cheek Clapper cream blush. If you're doing full coverage, guys, make sure you guys are using creams because when you're doing flash photography, because I know the holiday season's coming up and y'all want to look banging, make sure you guys are using creams. It's important because when that iPhone flash hits you or any camera flash, This is in the shade Tan Bronze. This brush is really cute too. This is the REM Beauty brush. And speaking of REM, Ariana, you're back in the studio. Thank you. We can't wait. We can't wait. I actually low-key love this brush, and I have been teasing you guys about it for freaking ever. Can I just say I'm like proud of my skin? Time for concealer. Love skin, but put on more concealer. I'm just gonna go in because my AI looks snatched. So I feel like I fall into a trance when I do my powder. So I did my cream blush, I did more concealer. There's something about wearing powder and hitting the sponge on my face that I literally just get quiet and I fall into a distraction because I was just so concentrated on focusing on the beauty of my AI. It's a time for me, myself, and I to just get into the groove of makeup. And if you guys know me, I love the face. I love turning up the base. I love foundation. And that is literally what just happened. So now that we're back, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes. I have been talking about these lashes forever. These are in the style Aurora by Raquel Beauty. I literally buy 10, 20 at a time, and I just throw these on my eyes. I wore them on the red carpet to the Color Purple premiere. I literally wear them all the freaking time. I don't know if there ever will be another lash that outperforms this one. Guys, if it's one thing about me and my makeup, I have to have lash tools. This little pincher, this lash curler, which is literally on sale on TikTok shop. So important because the last thing I want is like crusty, dusty lashes in my pupils. When your lashes are one with your fake lashes, chef's kiss. One thing about me, I know how to beat a face, okay? Like, this is giving cute. Do you guys see like the colors of my AI? I honestly can't physically change my face to do that. I tried making my nose really tiny to match my AI nose. For my lips, they are extra Brat style like and pouty. Like I mentioned earlier, I did get my top lip done. I didn't do my bottom lip. I feel like my lips are just getting like curled in. So I just did very little bit. Now, if you guys are wanting to get filler out there, I know this is about the lip tutorial, but since we're talking about lips, you can get it dissolved. It is very painful. You can look up videos on that, but for me, so far I like them. At first, they were a little bit like, oh my gosh, a bee stung me. But now that they've gotten a little bit more tame, I like them. I'm gonna take the lip pencil called Code Word and line my lips. And for those YouTube viewers out there, this is like, I guess, tea for the YouTube viewers out there. Go to TikTok shop because if you're a first-time purchaser at TikTok shop, these pencils, I think we're going for $7 or $8 a pencil. That is such a good price for such a good quality pencil. And this is specifically for first-time buyers on TikTok shop. The outfit is on. All I gotta do is just spray, you guys. This is the Dalba spray, the #1 spray on Amazon. And this is the Until Dawn spray, the #1 spray in Sephora. The two #1s are #1ing right now. This is a serum spray, so I love this to kind of like melt on my powder. Do you see how it just brought the skin like to life? I'm like literally obsessed with this. I'm gonna let that sit for like you know, a few seconds. And then I'll go in with the Until Dawn waterproof setting spray and set my whole face. And this just gives you the most flawless, most skin-like look ever. And this is the finished look. Let me pose. Look, it's fully rhinestone and it's literally inspired by my Mariah Carey Christmas special. My earrings glued on my turban, a velvet turban, and how nostalgic is this right here? This is my MAC collection. I had to put it in the background for you guys. This is the version of my AI look, cranberry eyes, a bright red holiday Christmas lip. How do I look next to my AI? Shout out to my One Size team and all the AIs. I had such a blast sitting down with you here on YouTube, just chit-chatting and getting ready with me today. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Happy holidays, bitches. Learning about me, learning about the brand. I have never been the most vulnerable than I have been in this company. You guys get to see Patrick Starrr, the founder, the entrepreneur, the business person every day. And I said tonight I think they should see PatrickStarrr. I told Jose earlier I didn't think anybody would ever want to sit with me or eat with me. Jaywan, our new social media PGC coordinator, asked me, what does it feel like to be at One Size? And I said, it feels like a big lunch table. Aww. So I thank you, and get up and eat a lot of food. Thank you guys.